Hello and welcome to Bicanaladi. Today I will show you some interesting feature of a toad. Toad, one day about 12 days before, I suddenly found lots of tadpole in my pond. So I kept those tadpoles in this aquarium with giving some boiled lettuce to feed. Within few days I found that some tadpoles start having two legs, two hind legs. After some day I found they have four legs with a tail. But you can easily make a model for the class like a life cycle of frog. Here we just use two paper plate and a push button. You can see push button. Now this is adult and the next stage comes as egg. So this ice cream stick helps it to rotate very easily. And then next stage, after a day or two, tadpole larva comes out and they keep on feeding mostly algae and other things. I found even some dead frog or anything fallen, they also eat them. Then comes the frog with two hind legs. That also is a feeding stage. After a few more days, we found frog with four legs. This stage is also tadpole. It's not frog yet. But then the tailed frog comes out of water and sit near water. Slowly they absorb their tail. Now this is very interesting phenomenon. They produce in their body, the cells produce lysosome, dissolve the tail which has bone, muscle, everything, and slowly it is absorbed by the body. So first 2-3 days this adult frog or toad does not eat anything. They eat their own tail. It's not exactly eating, they sort of digest their own tail and slowly tail shrink and vanishes, which helps the adult toad to jump easily. If you don't get two paper plate, you can also use two different chart paper and use this as well. So that same thing. Water. So I kept them outside in a cup of water with tailed tadpole. Within hours, those came out of it and become toad and were sitting with their tail, which was decreasing hour by hour. Within 24 hours, whole tail is absorbed inside their body. After that, when I was keeping this in a box, as they are now land animals, I found a strange phenomenon. These tadpoles which you can see, they all go towards light. So when I am rotating this, observed within few seconds, they started jumping and again going towards light. This phenomenon I found first day is maximum and as day go by it decreasing. Why this phenomenon I don't know. This is worth a PhD thesis to study. When I was discussing with my friend Ananda Banerjee, who has done a lot of work with tadpoles and toad and tree frogs, he said that he also observed similar thing. Look here again. Now all of them towards the light. I'm shifting again. Immediately they all go towards light. After observation, I have released them near the pond in my garden. Here you can see they are jumping. These are small toadlets jumping here and there. Frog and toad appears to be similar, but lot of difference is there. In India, there is one type of frog known as Rana tigrina, which is green in color, soft and slimy skin, whereas toad has warty, rough skin. Frog cannot leave water much time because they breathe through their skin also. So they are not totally adapted to land animal because they have near water. Whereas toad can breathe normally and goes to water only for breeding or to play. Frogs are slippery, so if we need to catch frog, many a time it slips through. And toad keeps a poison in near their ear gland, which they take out whitish substance, which may not be poisonous for us but may be harmful. Also, there are a lot of other differences are there, like frog may have teeth whereas toad don't, etc, etc. Basically they are two different species and different animals, but looks alike. They jump, both of them give tadpoles, things like that. I hope you will enjoy this, and please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.